Hello everyone. My name is Jigarkumar Pandya and I am a student of University of West London and my student ID is 33143 154. I am going to present you today about Global Sustainable Operations Analysis of Tata. This slide presents the man himself, Sri Jamsetji Tata, the founder of Tata Group and his legacy. Tata Group was started in 1868 by Jamsetji Tata. And Tata Tours and Travels is a globally operating company which includes airlines, hotels, and agencies in its business area. Sustainable development offers a means to reduce the environmental impact and a long term viability. Using a business case, the presentation analyzes the sustainable operations of Tata and suggests for its improvement. An integral part of Tata Group's family, known as the largest conglomerate in India. The Tata Group has more than 100 operations in more than 100 countries spread across 6 continents. It has a wide portfolio of business including steel, automotive, IT, chemicals, and hospitality. Key operations of Tata in the travel and tourism sector include Taj Hotels, an airline, Air India, and insurance player as Tata AIG, one providing premium hospitality service, another aviation service, and the last travel insurance service. Tata is a very big company and has a more potential to cover the world.
Hello, my name is Jaidev. Today I will tell you about operational strategy and business strategy. Tata Group's alignment to this strategy is an operation highlight stemming from the fact that it serves to companies overreaching business goals, which include sustainability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. The ambitions of the group is on becoming a global leader in the travel and tourism industry, is why it plans to expand into international markets. So now I will talk about sustainable tourism. The more sustainable choice open today in sustainable tourism include eco-friendly lodging, schemes that are carbon offset and projects, renewable energy waste reduction and working with local communities are all things that support the environment and the people whose land the source of the tourism is based on. In addition to protecting culture and natural treasury, they make all of visitors' travel experience better.
My name is Kuldeep. Now I will talk about our Tata Tours and Travels. Several initiatives on reducing its footprint through sustainability have been taken up by Tata Tours and Travels. The company has spent money investing in sustainable aviation fuel as a part of alliance with airlines such as Lufthansa and Air France KLM to help companies should for a business travel emissions. In addition, Tata Communications likewise committed to attaining net zero emissions by 2045 and incorporating sustainability into its business strategy. The company has also pursued efforts towards circular economy and is also active in maintaining and regenerating natural environments. This is another effort made by Tata to support in the practices in the travel industry to be sustainable. Now, challenges in implementing sustainable operations. Sustainability challenges are present in implementing the practice of a sustainable service in Tata Tours and Travels. It depends heavily on a fossil fuel consumption as an energy source in the aviation and transport environment. This contributing significantly to emissions. Adoptions of a green technology are economically expensive and financially incentive for sustainable tourism and also limited. Usually, traditional tourism business are open to social change and customers are not aware of the opportunity of eco-friendly travel, but adoption has always have been slow.
Hi, this is Jigar again. So now we will talk about role of digital technologies in sustainable operations. Tata's sustainability efforts are closely connected to digital technologies. Inputs of data and AI aid the prediction of carbon emissions and the economy of travel routes. To make a minimum impact on the environment, automation in hotels makes smart energy management and also reduces waste. Secondly, blockchain makes it possible to have transparency in carbon offset programs and sustainability reporting, which builds the trust of the customers. So, a personalized eco travel package advisory is an area of sustainability that AI helps Tata reach. Advising customers on personalized eco travel packages tailor made for their preferences, travelers can track and offset their emissions with automated carbon. The same technology also optimizes mainstream supply chains for sustainable sourcing and the reduction of operational waste.
Now I will tell you AI processing map step-by-step approach. Structure prompts are used when dealing with the sustainability challenges using AI process mapping. First, data is processed by AI to produce recommendations such as an emission reduction strategy. The insight is integrated into travel service to improve the sustainability. Critic of a AI recommendation. AI offers a sustainability solution at a business scale and it does so with data. It does not have human judgment when it makes a complex ethical decision, or maybe it does not solely understand the localized needs for a sustainability. Therefore, Tata needs to ensure that while the knowledge and insight of AI are utilized to inform its sustainability strategy, so too is the expensive expertise of a humans. Recommendations for a sustainable operational management to able to integrate the ESG principles. Tata Tours and Travels can minimize its carbon footprint and also ensure ethical labor practices, renewable energy such as a solar power transport and AI driven efficiency solution will be invest ready to improve sustainability. Appropriate policies, namely carbon reduction targets, which are both clear and transparent, enable long-term environment and social responsibility.
Hello, this is me, Jaidev again. Now I talk about green supply chain management in tourism. Green supply chain management can be improved upon by Tata Tours and Travels by procuring green materials in supply chain, working with eco-friendly hotels and minimizing plastic waste, electric transport, then route planning, enable logistic optimization and cuts of emissions. This long-term approach to sustainability is with carbon natural suppliers and local communications. Project business case for sustainable operations. This strong business case for sustainability includes lowering the environmental impact, being in line with global tourism trends, and setting goals such as net zero emissions by 2035. It also reduces carbon footprints, saves a lot on money, and helps the brand attract eco tourists.
Now I'm telling about execution plan. It has a structured plan of execution. These are followed by research to identify the priorities, planning and execution through the adoption of AI staff and training. Integrating continuous monitoring will only lead to long-term success through the use of regular KPI tracking and strategy adjustments. Now talking about stakeholder engagement and influence. Stakeholder engagement to effectively mean informing customers of the benefit of sustainable travel, giving incentive and including an eco approach in employee training. Tata may also be able to lobby with policymakers to bring forth green tourism incentive and adopt government supported sustainability programs. Now I'm talking about financial and risk analysis. To invest in sustainability, there is upfront of capital for green technologies and certification. However, in the long terms, the benefits are in the saving of energy and the reduction of waste. Government incentives and phased implementation can lessen financial risk in the areas of increased pricing. Now I'm talking about sustainability metrics and performance evaluation. The monitoring of the sustainability performance include reduction in the carbon footprints, adoption of eco-friendly packaging and customer engagement. Monitoring and benchmarking against industry standards is done with the help of AI maintain transparency and find continuous improvement. Audits and feedback loops regularly help refine the strategy with time.
Hello, my name is Jasroj, and today I will tell about case study of the competitor best practices. Sustainable initiatives are adopted by the leading travel companies. Radisson Blue Amsterdam in a case of the real hotel that holds a expediting sustainable travel badges and their help with the traveler choosing eco-friendly in their stays. Interpret travel funds that the global reforestation project taking place in the Kenya with emission hotel QO Amsterdam in a one of many hotels that Booking.com partners with the to save water and to provide sustainable food. Future outlook for sustainable travel at Tata. With a vision to venture into ecotourism and become a partner with sustainable business, Tata Tours and Travels is going to extend its presence into in the industry. As a leader in sustainable tourism, it has long-term vision of carbon neutrality by 2040, and so it will make strategic investment in AI and in common community projects to continue to underpin its leadership in this industry. To Now I am concluding this presentation. Today, sustainable tourism is not only option but a necessity for a long-term success. Eco-friendly practices must be done by the company Tata Tour and Travels, and also the stakeholders should be involved to encourage the adoption of the sustainable travel by the industry. There is a need for a call to action. These are the references. Thank you.